What's up everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. So today I just wanted to come here and chat with you guys and do my makeup just because we got nothing else to do, so we might as well just play with some makeup. First things first, I'm gonna use this Fussy unicorn focus unicorn essence, yeah, lip mask. I'm just gonna put that on. Just grabbing my mirror right here, and then I'm just gonna put that on and play with some. I've got this lip mask, and this is like my second time using it. I'm pretty bad at this stuff, guys. For primer, I'm gonna use this Kat Von D hydrating primer. I've had this for a while. I never use it. I had the foundation and I brought it back because one, the shade didn't match and I just didn't want to get another one, and then I just kept the primer but then I never used it, so now I just pull it out and put it on my everyday makeup bag, which is this bad boy right here. I just put it in there and hope of using it. So yeah, and I'm just gonna top it off with this Milk Makeup Blur Primer. This is a blur spray. Oh yes. While I let these sit on my face before I go in with foundation, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Brow Stylist definer and just do my brows a little and just pat the spray in. I'm just gonna take my brow pencil and work it out. My brows has been going crazy and I can't even go do them because everything is closed. Everyone is home. Alright, I'm gonna take Colourpop concealer in the shade Dark 44 and just gonna put that on the back of my hands. I'm gonna take my brush, my big brush, and just clean up. Alright, I'm gonna set my eyelids using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just gonna set it. Alright, the only palette I have here is Jackie Aina palette, and this is what it looks like. So since I don't have anything else next to me, I'm just gonna use that, you know how it is, and we love Auntie Jackie over here. So we're gonna dive in. I'm gonna try to use colors that I've never used before. Actually, I've used this whole palette, so never mind that. I'm gonna go into Big Wig, which is this dark purple right here, and put that in my crease. I'm using a different setting on my lighting today because this is more of a chilled makeup. I'm not gonna say tutorial because, well, tutorial. Oh, by the way, this is the Morphe E27. I've been using Morphe brushes and now I know what I've been missing because they are so comfortable to work with. I've never known that, and I've felt like I've been missing out. So So I'm glad I caught up with the rest of the beauty world. And we're just gonna keep going. Next, I'm gonna go into Spanker to blend the outer edges of this look. And lastly, I'm gonna go into Credit and put that on the outer corner. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Well, I have an idea of what I'm doing. I just don't know why I'm doing what I'm doing. Because this look didn't need it. But you know, we gotta be extra, so we're doing it. Next, I'm gonna take my concealer again. This time, we're gonna try a cut crease. For my lid, I want to put ginger, but I'm gonna put ginger on my lid. Didn't want to put it, but actually, yeah, ginger. I was gonna say I'm gonna put edges, but I'm gonna go back to Credit and put it and blend it in. And then I want to put Zola's on top. Actually, I'm going to put Sponsored on top of it. Just going to grab another brush and then put Sponsored on top of where I put edges. See? Perfect. Alright, now with that we're done with the eyes. Well, not quite, but we're just gonna take the BH liquid liner and just line my eyes. Alright, now let's do the face. I'm gonna take my Meet-You Hue from the Soft Color. I haven't used that since summer. Ooh. Beauty sponge. I'm just gonna put a little more. Half a pop on this side, half on that. And just a dot on my chin. You guys already know, for concealer, same powder that I used earlier. And I'm gonna use it all over the face. Take my powder brush. Just okay, next I'm gonna take my Prime Beauty bronzer and bronze up the face a little. Say 10. For blush, I'm gonna use this Bella Juvia's Place in the shade Bella. Such a pigmented blush. Also gonna take my brow gel from Anastasia and just brush it through my brows real quick. I'm gonna go back to credit on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. Okay, now I can take my spray and spray my face. I'm not gonna put any lashes because we're not going anywhere. Before we move on to lighter, I'm gonna take BFF4. I'm sorry guys, I know I said this was gonna be a chit chat video, but I haven't been chit chatting, have I? I'm gonna take Fenty Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk. I've been using this combo like a lot. Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna use the most beaming highlighter ever in the whole wide world, and it's rose gold. This is the Juvia's Place Heroin Glow 2. So this is the dopest highlighter in this world. What I like about it is the packaging. Like, look at this. You can't go wrong with that. Spray one more time. I know we're not going anywhere, but that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. Now, I know I said I was gonna be chit-chat-y, and I wasn't that chit-chat-y. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to share this video. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.